Well, no. If I'm up here and it goes, it starts rocking.
It's gonna start rocking, Kyle. As soon as you cut, that is a heavy limb. As soon as you cut it, it's gonna have a rebound effect.
Just stay right there, Kyle.
There you go, stand underneath it and saw. That's a good idea.
Put your leg down on the ladder. Like down one more step. I can't get down another. You can't?
Yes, you can.
Hey, you can stand down one more. Go down both legs. It's actually not a bad position.
There, stand right there and saw it.
Yeah.
What?
This is so sketchy. I was on this side right in the same spot.
Yeah.
Oh, I know, but...
Just do it, Kyle.
No, that's all right. I'll pull the idiot on this one. Huh? I'll take the one. Alright, come around the other side.
Okay.
Hold it.